Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Homewood local and long-distance movers near me. Our cheap Homewood moving company's top priority is to ensure that we provide every client with a positive moving experience. If you want a competitive and trustworthy moving company to move you across the street or world, 3 Movers is the right choice. Our moving company has the right resources and expertise to ensure the moving process is efficient and less stressful. We are equipped to offer diversified moving services such as piano moving, packing services, vehicle moving, and furniture moving, among others. We understand that every long-distance move attracts some unique challenges. With the options we offer, you can meet those challenges easier. Our most popular long-distance moving options include packing services. We strive to offer the best packing services for all our clients. Even if you want us to do the unpacking, we can help. Moving materials. We have invested in premium moving materials that ensure the safety of your goods. An on-time move. Our team arrives at the right time to avoid delays or cancellations. Upfront pricing. We offer free price quotes to ensure transparency in the pricing system. Licensed and insured. We have a premium insurance coverage and the proper certifications to ensure that we conduct business appropriately. If you're ready to complete a long-distance move, we're ready to help. Our team of movers will make relocating 100 miles or further away easier. We streamline the entire moving process for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Homewood moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.